Namaskar Mitro, welcome back to yet another grooming video on the channel. So this time we don't have any grooming product, but instead we have got this Gillette Special Edition Fusion 5 shaving razor which comes with this free hygiene case. So in this video we are going to unbox it, so keep watching. Alright, so this is what you get inside the box. Hygiene case with Gillette branding on the middle. And this being the Fusion 5 razor itself. This Fusion 5 razor has got a very nice mechanical body and at the bottom this Mumbai Indians logo. Of course, it is a special edition. Okay, so now let's have a look upon this hygiene case. Its body has got a matte finish which gives it a very premium touch and enhances its sturdiness. It also has this magnetic locking system which is great. Let's try putting Fusion 5 inside the hygiene case. Firstly, removing the blades and putting in the case. Then it's time for the handle. And boom, you are good to go. Now let's talk about the Fusion 5. This is quite heavy and these grooves and ridges in the handle enhances its grip. Now let's have a side-by-side comparison of my Mag 3 razor with this all new Fusion 5 razor. So yes, that was it in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.